Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial section we are going to check DateEdit in DevExpress, and we are going to create our custom DateEdit. So first we write DateEdit and we move over our form 1. Let's first run it. This is our DateEdit. For example, if you write day, and then we have a arrow key to the left, and then we can write, so this is first is month according to my time, and then the day, and then year. I will change when we focus back color, and also I just want to make this to be in the middle as a horizontal alignment. I will just choose the center, and also usually as a default we have advancing caret. For example, is from change mask. We have here what we have use advancing caret. So what it does when we write, for example, month, and then we press arrow key left, it comes to the day, and then when we press again it comes to the year. But still I will write as a default it is true, but I will just make it as a true as well. Let's remove this one, and let's come to the Solution Explorer. Let's right click here, and from add class, and let's write my DateEdit. As usually we set it to public access modifiers, and let's declare the attributes. We say toolbox item, I set it true, and then it will inherit from DateEdit. And let's come from constructor, from properties. First I will change the back color when it appearance focus, light shine, and then I want to I will say properties and mask, and here we have a mask type, and here I will say date time advancing caret. So when I choose one, when I write the month, then I press the keyboard left arrow, it will come to the day, and then I press again, it will come to the year. And let's go what we can do more here about here, and we say we'll change. And also I just want to make it not null. If, for example, if we let's from properties, null, allow, here we have allow null input, sorry, I will set it false, because this date edit, it will never be null. We have to write a date, and then we say we'll make it into the center our date. We'll do properties, and from appearance it was, I think, and then from text options, and then from horizontal alignment, then we will say horizontal alignment center. And also when we enter to our component, it will move the next one, and I will set it also this is true. Let's build it and let's see how it is functioning. From toolbox I write my, and you see that my DateEdit, I move over here a little bit, resize it, and let's run it and see it. Let's write any my birthday. As you see that it's centered, as you see that from text options, from appearance, and also back color is changed, and also it is, we use advanced date caret. We can move it, as you see that, from keyboards, and also when I enter it, it will move to the next component. DateEdit is like this. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe my channel if you like. See you next video. Bye.